Hello everyone, first of all introduce my name is Yulius Kristoporus. I am here because I will present material about steganography. Here are the points that I will explain. Here's point steganography. Here are the points that I will explain. First point, what is steganography? What is steganography? Greek word steganos, covered or protected. Graphy underscore writing. Stenography is the art and the science of writing hidden messages in such a way that no one apart from the intended recipient know of the extent of the message. It is art and the science of hiding of a message that is to be kept secret inside other messages. It is a type of cryptography in which secret message is hidden under digital pictures. Next point, historical steganographic techniques. While steganography has been widely used in historical times, especially before cryptographic systems were developed, examples of historical use include 2. Hidden message in max tables in ancient Greece. People wrote message in the wood, then covered in the wax so that it looked like an ordinary Unicid tablet in which covering message was writing. 3. During World War, message writing on envelopes in the area covered by postage stamps. 4. In the time hidden message is writing on paper in script in under other message or in the blank parts of the message. 5. During and after war, micros were used to send information back and forth. Next point, types. Type of steganography it is of three types. Audio steganography, text steganography, image steganography. Audio steganography requires a text or audio script message to be embedded within a cover of the message due to availability of redundancy. The cover of the message before steganography and the steganography message after steganography remain the same. Text steganography is considered to be the most difficult type of steganography. It requires less memory and provides for simple communication. One method that can be used for text steganography is data compression. Data compression includes information in one representation into another representation. Image steganography. Images are the most popular cover object used for steganography. Is a collection of pixels and numbers that constitutes different light instances in different arrays of the image. Next point, branches of steganography. Watermarking, cryptography. Watermarking. Digital watermarking is the process of embedding information into a digital media in such a way that it is difficult to remove. Any attempt to remove or invalidate the embedded content renders the host useless. Cryptography is the science of preserving security by encoding messages to make them non-readable. In cryptography, the original message is in encrypted methods. It is used to describe the interface of secret communication. It can be applied to graphics, voice or anything that can be digitally coded. Next point, important requirements for steganographic system. Security of hidden communication, size of payloads, protects the data from tourist users. Next point, modern steganography techniques. It is entered the world in 1985 with the advent of personal computer brains applied to classical steganography problem in modern time, concealing data within encrypted data. The data is first encrypted before being used. Masking and filtering information is hidden inside of image using digital watermarks that include information such as copyright, ownership. The purpose is different from traditional steganography, since it is adding an attribute to the cover made for changing the amounts of information present. Next point, algorithm, algorithma and transformation algorithma. This technique hides data in mathematical functions that are often used in compression algorithms. The idea of these methods is to hide the secret message in the database in the least significance coefficients. The most common and popular method of modern-day steganography is to make use of the SB of a picture information. This therefore makes distortion is kept to a minimum while the message is spaced out over the pixel in the image. This technique works best when the image file is larger than the message file and if the image is grayscale. Next point, basic of modern steganography. Examples: FE. FE steganography function embeddings. FE4 steganography function sections. Cover data in which it will be hidden. EMB message to be hidden. K parameter of FE. Stego cover data with the hidden message. Next point, detection of steganographic content. 4 or countermeasures. The detection of steganographically encoded text is called steganoglyphs. Facial analysis tries to reveal the presence of secret communication talks. Inspection either with the naked eye or with the instances of a computer. Algorithmic statistical analysis refers to the alterations in a mixed behavior caused by steganographic embeddings. Next point, data embedding security schemes. The first level of protection is determined only by the choice of embedding algorithms. This may be the less significant bit modification algorithm or algorithm for modifying the frequency. The second protection level of the steganography system is the protection if the hardware order is characterized by the use of key password. Via steganographic modification, in the example of a simple key seems which provides a second level of protection is to write the unmodified or modified password in the top or bottom of the message. Next message, the third protection level case seems because it affects the distribution of a message through the container. Next point, advantage of steganography over cryptography. Steganography protects both message and communications parties first. Cryptography protects only the contents of message. In steganography, message is hidden, whereas in cryptography, message is not hidden. Next point, application of steganography. Used in modern printers. Usage in digital watermarking. It can be used for digital watermarking where a message being simply an identifier is hidden in an image so that its source can be tracked or verified. It is used for fingerprinting for detection of unauthorized user and illegally copied material. It is used to maintain the confidentiality of valuable information. It is used for protecting the data from unauthorized users. Next point, future scope of steganography. Steganography talk is still a fairly new idea. There are constant advancements in the computer fields. It is likely that there will soon be more efficient and more advanced techniques for steganography. A hopeful advancement is the improved sensitivity to small message. Knowing how difficult it is to detect the presence of a fairly large text file within an image. Imagine how difficult it is to detect even one or two sentences embedded in an image. In the future, is hope that the technique of steganography will advance such that it will become much easier to detect even small message within an image. Conclusions. This seminar provides an overview of steganography and steganographic software that points how information hiding. So many images exist to be verified manually for hidden message, so development of a tool to automate the process will be beneficial to analysis the abundance availability of steganography tools as law enforcement concerning in trafficking of illicit material via web, text, image, audio, and other transmissions of the internet. Next, presentations. Before I end this presentation, I apologize if there are any wrong words, and hopefully this presentation can help you to know a summary of what steganography is. Thank you. Any question, you can find me at itoxx and email fianhs31@gmail.com. Thank you.